Jammers, and welcome back to another episode of Best Places to Visit in Ghana. Today we are going to Chenku Waterfalls and currently we are in Dodowa. Can you tell us anything about Dodowa, Kukwa?
Anything about Dodowa? I went to school. I don't know anything about Dodowa.
That is funny. Okay, Jammers, see you soon. Okay, Jammers, so we have just arrived at the location, the assembly point for Chenku Waterfall. So once you come through to Dodowa, we actually followed through with the sat-nav, which has just taken us through to this location. So we are just going to find a guide here at Chenku Waterfall, and I must say Dodowa is an absolutely beautiful area, Jammers. It's very green. Okay, so there's going to be 4 of us today. That's one thing about Ghana, you are able to meet lots of different people. Yeah, so we'll see you in the next bit. Jammers, there you go. Huge lizard, of which usually, I mean, it is looking, I would be very scared, but I've got used to them. Jammers, so this is the lovely Kukwa who is taking us here today. Gorgeous Kukwa, who I've met since being here in Ghana. So go ahead, Kukwa.
So we're at Chenku Falls now. This is their little banner, and then the tour guide's number is on it. So he's usually here to take you to the falls, so you can go to the lower falls and then go to the upper falls. He's not here yet this morning, but we can still go ahead and go to the lower falls on our own. When he gets here, he takes us to the top.
And this is the parking area just here, Jammers, and they've kindly suggested that we park underneath the shade. There you go. And you're able to purchase some food if you'd like, and there's a small shop also.
Yeah, it takes 45, depending on your velocity.
How fast?
Yeah, you go.
Are you guys up for 45 minutes?
I'm up for 45 minutes.
Come on, dear.
Oh, she's asking if it's one way or 45 minutes.
Yeah,
It's 45 one and then 45.
Yeah, but when you're coming back, it's faster.
Yeah, because
you're
you're going down.
Yeah.
So actually, you book before you do that, but let me call one of the
Guys.
Jammers, so Kofi has arrived. He is the guy that will come when you call the number, and he is the head tour guide, but he's not able to take us today. But can you tell us a bit about Chenku Waterfalls, Kofi?
Oh yeah, Chenku Waterfall is the only waterfall in Greater Accra. The name derived from a small god they put beside the waterfall called Chenku. So because of that, people call the waterfall Chenku Waterfall.
So it's quite spiritual then, if it's named after.
Yeah. The god is worshipped by the people of Bosumasi. Yeah, but now they have moved the god from the waterfall because the site it's a tourist site now. So those kind of adoring these activities, rituals are no more there. But there are some rules you have to obey. The water doesn't like blood.
Okay, the water doesn't like blood, so those are the rules that
women in their menses should not enter the water.
Okay.
Yeah, and if you have fresh cut in you and blood is flowing, don't go into the water.
Okay.
And if you kill an animal and you want to wash the blood, no, you don't have to do that.
So you really have to respect the water.
Exactly. And the source of the water is from Tutu in Akropo, Eastern region. And goes through Bosumasi Waterfall, that is Adom Waterfalls, before coming to Chenku
so the
Waterfall.
water, Jammers, that's good
It's
to
the
know.
same river.
The same river,
Exactly.
so do go ahead and watch Best Places to Visit Adom Waterfalls, because the water that was flowing there also comes down to Chenku. Is that the origination? So it's coming from, or
The
where's
source is Tutu.
Tutu?
Akropo.
And so from Tutu, and then it comes down to Adom,
Yes.
and then it comes down to Chenku.
Chenku.
So
Is that the same one that goes to Asinima?
No,
Is it different?
it's a different.
So we need to go organize a trip to Tutu.
Wadaka? Is that the
It's a
same?
different.
So the Asinima and Wadaka.
The other side of the hill. Yeah. So from here, the water goes to join other streams and Accra Plains.
Okay.
And then it goes to Ashama. There's a big dam there. That's the overflow of the dam goes to Sakumono, the Ramsar sites. Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, thank you so much, Kofi.
Hunter is a farmer.
Hunter, farmer,
So he's going to
movie director,
I wish
and
I
guide.
could go to you.
Yeah. Vincent. No, he's.
Let me take some banana before I start.
Oh, you're coming.
It's true. I have banana. You can be next time we're going to Shy Hills or something. You can go with her.
You've heard it here first, jammers. Kukwa's going to be taking us to Shy Hills soon. So we've just started the walk. Kofi and Vincent are ahead. Feels a bit cool. It's a 45-minute hike. He's going to need the machete. And there we go. Sure, there's some chickens over there.
Swear, chickens everywhere.
Here we go. These are the parts that I kind of get concerned about, these bridges. But oh my God, there we go. Nice little bridge there. Jammers. It's gorgeous.
That was wearing slippers. You said and he was fine.
Wearing slippers. Well,
Yeah, he climbed the thing with, and you know he was walking faster than us. Sometimes he'll be ahead. He will stop. He will look back at us. He'll be waiting for us to catch up here in slippers.
well, that's what we've said.
Slippers.
Kofi's wearing Converse, so that's giving me comfort. I
No,
can
but he
do
does
it.
this all the time.
Yeah. Well, I have some small work to do at the lower fall. That's why I'm here. You need a small bridge.
So Kofi's just going to locate some sticks.
So this one goes to the lower fall.
Okay, so we can follow. I thought you wanted to get the sticks first. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so we're passing here. We're going to get some sticks. And this is a path. So far, we are 5 minutes into the 45-minute hike.
You got some yesterday. Okay, yesterday we hiked.
Oh my God! I get worried about these bridges. Can it take the weight?
Can you come?
I cover myself with the blood of Jesus.
You're fine.
Oh yes, I am fine indeed. It's perfect. Guys, this is beautiful.
That one? Okay.
That's one stick. Beautiful stream.
Who wants the first stick?
I'll have the first. Okay, sure, have it. See this.
Let's go.
There we go. Oh, guys, come home to Ghana, guys. Honestly, best places to visit in Accra. Chenku Falls. Vincent, did you say that we might see snakes?
No. Actually, the animals that are around here.
Oh, the animals are around.
They are home too.
It's their home, but so why won't we see them if it's their home?
Because we are walking and we are talking, though we're running away from them.
Well, good. Well, let's make sure we keep talking.
Vibrations,
Oh, I see. So, guys, nothing to fear here. Oh God, that's the shadow of my phone.
So you are going to join Lawyer David, so
I really want to. I've been thinking about it.
that is the time. How much are they charging?
I can't remember. But I remember it's also a charity thing. I can't remember. I have to check the picture. It's also a charity. They are raising money for it.
Oh, okay.
Hey, jammers, so we're now about 10 minutes in, and you definitely need a guide. And I also recommend that you wear leggings, like Ursula. I'm not wearing leggings, which is not a good idea. But it is beautiful.
The big tree in the arc at the top of the hill there.
Yep.
Yeah, that's where we are going. That's where the Chenku Cascade, the lower Chenku Waterfall is located.
Okay, there you go, jammers. That's where we're headed. Up there. Dodowa, jammers, down there.
Yeah.
Okay, jammers. It is tiring. Oh, it's tiring. Oh. Rest break. But we move.
Don't come any closer.
Don't come any closer. Oh.
That place will be fine. We should be moving to. We'll descend into the water.
Oh, Vincent sent. The rest are taking a break as well down there. Oh, I just like to get over and done with. And Vincent, you said it's Hamatan now, so I can't even speak.
Oxygen.
Oxygen, guys.
Oxygen.
Because I think that I'm pretty fit. And yeah, you can definitely feel the oxygen's in short supply. Oh, if you're not fit at this stage, I wouldn't recommend the upper fall, but obviously follow your gut. So jammers climbed all the way up. Now we're actually in a beautiful, beautiful pineapple field. Oh, here they go. Laura.
Yes.
Well done, we're here, we've done it. Where are the others?
Sorry.
Where are they?
They're coming.
Oh, they come in. Guys, and there's land for sale up here as well. Cool. Land for sale there, jammers. I don't know about the litigation of this, but there you go. That's the sign. Land for sale. And if you're wanting this view, this is what you get. This is what you get, jammers. And there's Ursula. Oh my God. Ursula, look at the sweat.
I'm telling you, this one.
It's not easy, guys. It's not easy. But this is what you get when you come up. And here comes Kukwa. Oh. Yeah, the pineapple farm's here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we're going down there now, guys. That's not the end of the trek. Down there. And that leads us... It takes some 5 and then we go. Okay, jammers. Okay, we don't need our sticks. Okay, so we're going to leave our sticks here. I'm going to leave my stick leaned up there until I come back. And we're off now, jammers, on the descent. So see you down at the falls. Beautiful, beautiful Ghana. Down to Chenku Waterfall. So jammers, we can actually hear the waterfalls and it's quite a decline. Quite a decline, jammers. And we're now on the descent down, a lot cooler, down to the fall. There's the waterfall down there, guys. Don't move any further.
Beautiful, yeah.
It's gorgeous.
We are trying to make it.
We're not trying to make it. We're making
It's really
it.
worth it, honestly.
And we've made it. You have to do it. But I would say you need to have a certain level of fitness about you.
Yeah.
Because it's quite treacherous.
And
Definitely resilience and
determination.
yeah. We can all do anything we put our minds to.
Because anyone can make it, but it's just
In the mind.
yeah.
And that's one thing I always say. Anything I do, I can put my mind to. On that note, jammers, go back and check best places to visit. I did say exactly that on the Adowa waterfall. We can all do anything we put our minds to.
Anything, Flora?
Well, we could all do anything we could put our minds to, jammers. See you soon. Fall is just down there. Gorgeous, gorgeous tree. And we'll definitely see you down there. So we've made it down, jammers. We've just got a last little section to get to. And it's steep.
From the trees.
We're coming from there, guys. Literally, it is so steep. It is so beautiful. And we've made it. We just want to get in that water. Oh no, he said I should just wait here. Okay, let me just move over. Oh, here we go, guys.
Don't go.
Yeah. Oh, don't, Asil, don't move, please.
Yeah!
Guys, this is it. Until we've got to walk back up.
Don't go. Wait for me. Don't go. Nobody move.
Nobody move. Nobody get hurt. Vincent, do you need space?
Huh?
So they've worn, or he's worn rather, boots. And yeah, how the hell are we getting down there? Okay, see you soon. And this is it, jammers. The what is it? Pièce de la Résistance. There we go. Beautiful. We are getting lots of sexy pictures. Don't worry.
You want one?
On the way back down, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Feeling with new sticks and feeling rejuvenated. Okay, so that's actually where we're coming from, all the way up there. We've trekked all the way down and come on the flat and around, guys. So literally, there's a lovely stream happening here, and you are able. So we've made it to the entrance of the lower fall. So here we go. I've asked for some plantain or plantain from the lands that we've been walking on. So I'm going to be blessed with some of that to boil. Oh, yeah, I want to boil it when I get home. And some cassava. Come home to Ghana. Keep watching. Jam fam to the motherland. Keep sharing. Is that what we're all about? So many plans in mind, jammers, and so many beautiful locations to get to. Ghana, 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 Ghana. Sunday, blessed day.
This is the new Kofi created.
But since the storm, so the original was further back.
This is dry season now.
That's what it really feels like.
Yeah, the water will be up, and that should have been that way. It's diverted it for. The whole place is changed. When you go, you will notice.
Here we are, jammers. We have just arrived. Absolutely beautiful. The lower fall, jammers. Here we are. I mean, look at the beauty of that. Come home to Ghana. Wow. That's where we're coming from, jammers, up there. And the water is trickling all the way down. Jammers, that's the end of the video, jammers. Come home to Ghana. We can all do it, guys. This is what awaits you. See you again in the next video. Keep jamming, keep sharing. Lots of other adventures to share, guys. Come home to Ghana. Please do go ahead and watch episode 1 and 2 and 3 of Best Places to Visit. Yeah, this is the 4th video, but there are 2 other locations. Please do share, guys. Come home to Ghana and see you soon. Absolutely gorgeous day.